So hello everyone. In the today's class, we will be discussing about logical operators. And logical operators means the gates that we are supposed to use in physics. So these operators work same as the gates in the physics and science we have studied. So first operator, let me write a comment because maybe this is the new topic for some of you. So and returns true if both the statements are true. Okay. So this is the AND operator which returns true if both the statements are true. Next, OR operator. So OR operator returns true when any one of the condition returns true when any one of the condition is true. Returns true when any of the statement is true. Okay, and then not. It reverses the result. So reverse the result. So this you can write it as a definition of these operators. So next, the AND operator returns true if both the statements are true. And OR operator returns true when any of the statement is true. And then not, it reverse the result. Means true को false में convert कर देता है and false को true में. It just reverses the true into false and false into true. So now if I run the, I will take just an example for your better understanding. So here I'm taking the value as x is equals to 5. Next here I am writing as x is greater than 3, and in the next condition if I write it as x less than 10. So what will it gives us the output? So first it is given as x is greater than 3. So 5 is greater than 3. Yes, it is true. 5 is less than 10. Yes, it is also true. So if both the statements are true, it returns true. Okay, means now what will it return? Since our both the statements are true, it result as true. Okay. Now if we change any one of the conditions here, likewise if I write here 6, so x 5 is greater than 5 is greater than 6. No, it's false. And 5 is less than 10. It's true. So now if I run it, it will result as false. Why? Because any of here both the statements are not true. So it will result as false, like such. Okay, so this is the AND operator, and in the same form if I write here or, now if I run it, it will result as true. Why? Because returns true when any of the statement is true. So here x is greater than 6 means 5 is greater than 6. No, false. But 5 is less than 10. So means अगर कोई एक भी कंडीशन ट्रू होगी तो ये हमें ट्रू आउटपुट में देगा. तो अभी 5 is less than 10 ये कंडीशन ट्रू है, then it will result as true. Okay, when only both the conditions are false, it will result as false. Like if I write here x5 is greater than 2. Here both the conditions are false. So now it will result as false. Like such. So that's the OR operator and AND operator. Next, in the same example, we can see as not. So in the previous example, when I have done this much of code, it will give us the output as false. But now if I run it, it will give us the output as true. Why? Because now I have used here not operator, which reverse the result. So previously it is the result as false, Now not operator which convert the output